At 6 o'clock this morning, I was absolutely certain I was going to die. Not in the usual soldier's way, like there's a bullet with my name on it kind of thing. I mean today, right now. Every soldier fears the gas, the enemy you can't strike.
Raus!
Breathe, breathe. It was just a tiny bit of the chlorine, but it felt like inhaling fire. My lungs seized. Every breath became a fight. And when the gas arrives, shells and bullets are hard on their heels. It was the wind that came to our rescue. It changed direction and started blowing the gas back to the Tommy's line. The gas attack lasted less than an hour, but I will remember that for the rest of my life. I felt like I was drowning. Unfortunately, that wasn't the worst thing that would happen to me that day. I'd nearly drowned in air, but compared to some of the others, I was all right. One man had gone blind. My lungs hurt. My throat felt scraped raw. But I was alive. And after you've spent an hour thinking death is certain, being alive feels wonderful. Even the coffee tastes good. Then came the best news of all. Our company was being rotated out of the line. A few days in a rear area, and the generals think we will be new men. No shells, no rats, no gas, no death. It's not home, but I am with family. The war is just a few fields away, but today I can pretend it's just thunder. I have the courage from a bottle and 10 marks in my pocket. That will buy me an hour with a soft companion. When I can fool myself, life isn't so bad. I'm 10 marks poorer, but I proved I'm still alive. Nothing is missing. Everything is working. Things could be worse. Damn it. I have a souvenir from the day of the gas attack.
That looks very unpleasant, Private.
Time for your treatment.
An ointment?
Certainly not. This is much more serious. We must apply silver compounds to the affected area. For a month. Shall we start? This will be unpleasant. Yeah.
If you found that uncomfortable, you might want to watch this story about Anne of Cleves. It's a doozy.